So we are back from CES, and one of the brands, Anker, actually sent us a product as soon as we got home for us to check out. This is their Nano Charger. It's a 45-watt smart display charger with foldable prongs. Let's open this up and check it out. Real easy to open. Got a little manual here, a little smart guide, and then really well positioned, really well protected. This paper is insane. It says here, flip pages to tap 2 times to switch modes, and press 2 seconds to rotate the screen. The touch area is this little finger divot here. It's adaptive touch, and this prong, like I said, it does swivel. So you can plug it into the wall like this, or you can plug it into the wall, I guess, like this, depending on what works best for you. And that's probably why the screen swivels, just so that way, depending on which version you're in, that'll work for you. And then you can always close it down, so that way the plug is condensed for travel, which is really nice. That right there is your USB-C plug right there, their IQ plug. But yeah, let's take this. Let's actually plug this in and give it some juice. And let's look at what it does speed-wise for charging, as well as what the display screen looks like. We'll be right back. Well, hopefully you guys found this interesting. It's a cute little smart plug, very low profile, easy to send on your travel. I do love that 180 plug switch. That's really cool. It gives you a lot of really cool features in it. And it's just a really handy little device. I mean, it earns the name Nano. It's very small. Well, hope you guys like this. Hope you guys pick this up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.